Hello everyone, welcome back to the Glitch Sip channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Roblox, especially if you are under 13 years old. As you can see, we already have our Roblox profile open. Now, go to the Settings section. Inside the settings, you'll see different options. The one we're interested in is the Birthday section. For example, here it shows that I was born on December 31st, 2003. If you want to change this information, you'll need to take some extra steps. If, for example, I try to change my birth year to 2017, Roblox will ask me to verify my age. This verification usually requires a selfie and an official ID from your country, such as a national ID card or even a passport. This way, Roblox can confirm your real age and allow the change without any issues. And that's how simple it is. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Glitch Sip for more Roblox tutorials.